Louise Redknapp gave fans an insight into her festivities with boyfriend Michael Drew and her two sons Charlie and Beau after going Instagram official with him in October. Louise Redknapp celebrated Christmas with her new partner Drew Michael and her two sons Charlie and Beau, who she shares with ex-husband Jamie Redknapp. Judging by recent snaps shared by the singer, her teenage boys have given Michael their seal of approval after she went public with him in October. Most recently, Louise, 49, was all smiles as she posed with Michael, a businessman from London, and Charlie, 19, on what she called a lovely Christmas day. The singer was pictured with one hand placed on her beau's shoulder and the other on her eldest son as she stood in the middle of the pair. Louise followed up her post with a less clearer picture of her and her sons, as she joked, "Note to self: never leave Charlie in charge of taking the family photo. Love, my boys." The former Eternal star first went Instagram official with Michael just 2 months ago after they were pictured out in public. In the couple's first picture shared with her 815,000 followers, she cozied up to her new partner and also shared a boomerang clip of the couple posing. She wrote, "Have a great day at the Drew. Michael, happy birthday X." After confirming her romance, many flocked to the post to share their comments. One wrote, "Here's a woman that has put herself and family first. Healing and family. Now it's time for you to be happy. Fab post." A second added, "Ooh, he's handsome. Just what you deserve." While a third typed, "Nice to see you happy Louise. You look great together X." Michael, who is 9 years Louise's junior, is her first public relationship since splitting from Jamie back in 2017. The former couple tied the knot in Bermuda back in 1998 in their early 20s after meeting through the showbiz world. Back in June, Louise said she wasn't actively looking for a new lover, but was open to meeting someone new. "I am just open to what may happen. I am not actively out there looking. It's not my #1 goal in life," she explained to The Sun. "But, if it goes that way and I met somebody who swept me off my feet and was amazing and kind and great, then I'd be so open to exploring that." Just 3 months later, she was pictured out with Michael leaving the Groucho Club in Soho. Jamie was the first to move on out of the pair with Swedish London-based model Frida Anderson. The couple married at a registry office in 2021 while she was pregnant with their first child together. In November, the former footballer announced their son Rafael had been delivered safe and well.